everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this is the first video completely in the new apartment in Florida. We didn't really know where to start off the channel now that we've moved down here. Life has been really crazy, so we just decided to start with something basic. So tonight I will be cooking Ben's favorite meal, which is kind of different, but pretty basic. It's a stir-fry chicken dish with udon noodles. So he's been craving that since we got down here. We've been pretty good about doing either, takeout once a week and just kind of being safe with going out. So I figured I'd give it a shot. We're not going to pretend like we came up with this idea, completely stolen from Jenna Marbles and Julian Solomita, two of our favorite YouTubers that we watch. So that is what we're going to be doing tonight and what you're going to see right now if you keep on watching. What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing? Oh.
So we have the list. We're going grocery shopping. We have everything we need. We're running to the store. Here's our list. Let's hit Aldi or Publix. We're going to Aldi?
Aldi.
We're going to Aldi and Walmart. Let's go. All right, so really the whole plan of tonight's video was we were going to cook Ben's favorite meal. I'm gonna rant later, but shopping out here sucks and we feel in danger. So we're gonna go home and cook something out of the fridge that he'll love, but it might not be his favorite food. So we're post breakdown a little bit because we're on our way out. What I decided to do is, sorry world, I can't find udon noodles anywhere nearby us, so I bought them on Amazon Fresh. No, I bought udon noodles on Amazon and 3 packs of Miracle noodles on Amazon Fresh. And we're just getting out of here, cutting our losses and spending a little more on noodles than we should. So we're not gonna be filming making his favorite meal tonight. That is going to be a tomorrow night kind of deal. And we're just gonna do something easy tonight because this has been more stressful than it should have been.
It is what it is.
I am making the stupid and bold decision of not following a recipe because I don't want to. And everything I found online when it was like a chicken stir fry with udon, it was always just kind of weird and like either had too much or not enough. So I've just decided, as someone who's almost never cooked before, I'm going to make my own because apparently I think I'm qualified. I'm just gonna run you through what we're doing. None of this is going to have exact measurements because I don't want to. It's been a long day and we are feeling lazy in this kitchen tonight. I'm gonna start by laying out the vegetables we're going to use in this because that's gonna go in first. No, you put the chicken in first.
Chicken to cook first.
And then you put that in. So I'm gonna do like a handful and a half of sugar snap peas because I'm not big on those.
I thought this was for me. I thought this was my
that
meal.
was the whole point of this. And for some reason, I did read a few recipes, even though I'm choosing not to follow them. They all said to choose frozen vegetables, which I did about half of the time. So I have frozen peas and frozen corn.
You want some sleepovers?
No, maybe.
It's going to be fine. Even if it's bad, we have the DiGiorno pizza for afterwards.
That's true.
DiGiorno sponsor me.
All right, I'm gonna do a healthy amount of corn. And we know we're gonna have leftovers and we know we're gonna wanna eat this again because it's gonna be delicious. I'm gonna cut it real quick on the edge where the chicken is not.
Ooh, saucy.
But we're gonna do not as much broccoli because we already had a crap ton of vegetables on here. Do frozen vegetables still have any nutritional value? Because I've been told that they don't and I refuse to believe it.
That seems wrong, but also I don't know anything.
As you could tell by the last video we posted, we are now in our Florida apartment, which is why we are cooking more often and not, Ritz crackers. Things have been going well. No one asked, but I'm gonna tell you a life update. We're gonna do, you're obviously seeing bits and pieces of our apartment. We're gonna do a full apartment tour when we're done. Just being, newly out of college, we only have so much money to decorate our apartment with.
So we actually went down to throw out some trash, as we do. And next to the dumpster, there were these 2 perfect matching bedside tables. And so that's how we got our bedside tables.
And so we ended up taking it out of the garbage. And before we let it into the apartment, we disinfected and cleaned and did all of that. But we're social distancing and being safe. Ben's working from home. I have a remote job. So, there's not a lot of room to be bad right now. We really just see his parents and hang out with them. I guess I should say 2 things about this. This is a straight up ripoff because one of the only YouTube channels that we agree on watching and enjoying is Julian Solomita and Jenna Marbles. And so this is a straight ripoff of what they've done in J&J's Kitchen. So we're not pretending like we came up with the making the other person's favorite meal idea. This is a straight ripoff from them. We are 22-year-olds who are just trying to figure it out.
That's a sitcom right there.
That's a sitcom. Life is not, I think, how we ever thought it was going to be graduating college.
No, definitely not. Ooh, that's right. We should make some, we're making rice or are we making quinoa? What's going on? Probably rice, right? Sorry, this is for you. What?
What did you want with this meal?
Right. Oh!
The whole reason that we're filming this a day late is he desperately wanted udon noodles and didn't want everything else. So excuse me giving him shit. But he's like, oh, are we gonna have rice or quinoa? And I'm like, why are we filming this on Monday? Ben and I are big Jenna Marbles fans. Sad. What's your favorite Jenna Marbles video?
Ooh, it's got to be one of the ones with the big crack energy.
I want to be tall.
I was going to say I want to be tall too.
So in case you're trying to follow this recipe, I definitely fell off the wagon by saying what I was doing. So I took like 6 little, it's like chicken tender shaped chicken breasts, and I chopped them up into like even smaller than bite-sized pieces. I'm putting crushed red pepper on it like in excess because we want this to be flavorful. And then I'm gonna put some chili powder on it. And as far as vegetables go, because I forgot to say, carrot, frozen corn, frozen peas, sweet
snap peas, sugar snap peas.
Sugar snap peas and broccoli. Arguably too much, but we like to over season. Because for the last 4 years we've eaten in dining halls where they under season. Sorry UNH, except I'm really not at all. So now I'm just gonna measure out about how much soy sauce and sesame oil I wanna put in for the chicken. And it's gonna be kind of hefty because I don't know. So we're gonna do like enough squirts of sesame oil to hopefully cover a little bit of the bottom of the pan. Like a dash or 2 of soy sauce, and I'm probably gonna add more as stuff like dries out. It's getting more.
Yeah,
So
let's see what we got. Ooh.
All right, so here's our little mixture, which I'm now not sure. Yep, not enough.
Well, yeah, we also probably should just put like oil in and then put that over the chicken.
Well, then I'm gonna put oil in and then put the chicken over it. Don't come at me if this is a lot of oil. I'm not following a recipe.
Ooh, do you need like a spatula?
Yes.
Maybe some tongs?
Yeah. So here's what we're gonna do.
I would love to know what we're about to do.
And you're gonna chop some onion real quick because I made a mistake. Would you mind taking a look at how much garlic I just put on?
Oh, P, this is going to be a time. You did a great job at seasoning 1/2 of the chicken.
I'm going back at it right now. But we bought these on the internet, and they're not great for going quickly.
Well, hey,
and Ben
pop it open.
Oh, good idea.
No. It's got a thing.
Oh, and Ben's gonna chop an onion real quick.
Drag.
It's not a half an onion. Where's the other half of our onion?
I don't know. Go find the other half of the onion, Ben.
Well, what are you doing? Oh, sorry.
No. I found the onion.
Do you want an onion?
I found the onion and I'm doing it.
It's your meal, sweetie. It's your meal. This is all up to you.
God dang it, I'm doing a freaking onion.
All right, I'll chop it then.
You want it?
Yes I do. Please add the onions to your own dish. I know you can't smell this right now, but I need you to understand that this smells like stir fry.
It actually does smell like stir fry.
Which is weird. I didn't think just the chicken would smell like stir fry. Maybe it's honestly just the smell of like cooking soy sauce.
I think it's the soy sauce, then it's the sesame oil.
Udon noodles have a lot of carbs. I might cook 1 bag and you get all the udon and I might get rice from the fridge.
Okay, that works for me.
Because
give me a whole bag of udon, don't mind if I do.
All right, this is starting to sizzle a little bit. Tell me this pan also doesn't look big enough to hold the vegetables when it's time. And apparently the udon noodles only take like 2 to 3 minutes to cook. So I'm not gonna throw that in. I love garlic. Cooking tip from a 22-year-old who knows nothing. If you wanna impress people, add garlic and onion to anything within reason. But just do it. It smells good, it tastes good. This is now cooking much faster than I'm comfortable with, so we're gonna turn this down a little bit more.
I swear to God, we're not going to be the ones who throw the fire alarm in our new apartment a week after we're here.
All right, are you ready for the veggies?
Are you going to put all of them in?
Yeah.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Okay, that actually didn't go as bad as I thought it was going to go.
Yeah, I know. Give me some credit, idiot. Listen, I'm prepared for whatever is about to happen. Oh, some of these are frozen. That does make it more difficult than I thought. Okay, this actually looks really good. And I'm gonna add udon in here in like probably a few minutes because I'm gonna let this start simmering down. Because vegetables, when you cook them, get smaller.
Ooh.
This is our salt jar.
Courtesy of Stephen Gina Seibert.
Thank you. I just need to make sure it cooks down enough. I'm gonna add some soy sauce in a minute so the veggies can cook in something.
Ooh.
Because right now it's a
Has it all boiled off?
I don't want to say it's a fairly healthy stir fry at the moment because that's probably not true, but like it needs more unhealthy is what I'm saying. I don't know if you know how stir fry is made.
You don't know how stir fry is made. You did this without a recipe and you're trying to tell me how it's made.
I just want to say though, for being without a recipe, you have to admit this is not that
I'm
good.
very impressed with how stir fry this is with you just throwing shit together.
The only issue is I've become so accustomed to cooking for like 6 or 7 people while I was living at home that this is not made for 2 people.
You tend to underestimate what I am.
What you are?
I'm not a human, I'm a dancer.
Put this down and let it simmer.
P, I think you've really outdone yourself this time.
Really? I'm doing my best. I don't know if the broccoli's cooked or not.
Nah, you're doing great.
Will you eat this and tell me if it's cooked?
No.
It's fine.
You've had a long day too, huh?
I did 36 job applications today.
This looks good to Ben. I'm gonna put some sauce in there, call it a day.
All right, so I tried the stir fry and I think I made it way too spicy, but he's gonna try a noodle and make sure it's cooked.
Yeah, we good. I like the spice.
All right, so now we need to see if I made his favorite meal, which is stir fry with udon noodles, because why be easy when you could not be?
Hey, it wasn't that hard.
Actually, that's very steamy. Do you want me to wait a minute for you to take a bite?
Yeah, probably.
I am genuinely worried I made this too spicy, so if he starts acting dramatic, I took a bite off camera of the broccoli because I wanted to make sure the broccoli was cooked, and it actually hurt my mouth a little bit. So we're gonna have to see if I overdid it a little bit. But come on, give me like real thoughts. Don't just tell me good. Like, where did I do good? Where could I do better? It's spicy.
The spice just hit. So it is a tad spicy, but it's not like overpoweringly spicy where I'm like, oh, I can't taste it. I can still taste it, which is good. So it's like closer to my limit of spice, but it's good.
So if this is your favorite meal, in comparison to the favorite place you've ever had it, give me like an out of 10 rating.
Honestly, I'd put this at like a 7.5, I'd say.
You know, for being earlier at cooking, I will take a C.
This is the first time you've ever made stir fry.
Yeah.
So I'm going to give you some room to improve. And I mean, is good.
Where can I do better next time?
It might be, we need different vegetables and no, I think that that does it.
All right. I don't know if it's because I made it, but I'd give myself above a 7.5. Like, it's definitely spicy, but we tend to like spicier foods better.
I do like, it's not getting low marks for me for spice.
I'm giving myself an 8.
Okay.
I think I don't have udon noodles, so mine is different than his because, you know, dietary restrictions. But I would say all of the vegetables are cooked well. The chicken is cooked well, and it's got some very nice flavor. I'm impressed with myself.
I am too. Cheers.
To you cooking my favorite meal next. And do you want to know what it is? Do you want to preview?
Please.
It's not that different, but chicken pad thai. So basically we're doing this, but with like peanut butter. Let's go to the sign off.
Bye.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Things have been a little chaotic as we've moved into our new place, so bear with us when the next couple videos are just kind of us adjusting. As you can see, we've set up a little bit more to invest kind of into this whole YouTube thing, and if we want to keep making memories this way. We've got a lot of interesting things coming up, plus I'll give you a little sneak peek at one of the most exciting things we have coming up. 1 second. This is our new little girl, Brandy. Oh, look at her look at the camera. She knows what she's doing. I'm not gonna hold her here long because I can't tell if this is comfortable for her or not. But she's our sweet little new 2-year-old that we adopted. We were going to make a full video about the fact we were adopting an animal, but she kind of happened really, really fast. We went to look at a different animal. We're at a shelter we didn't even think we were going to adopt at. The other dog we were looking at was it being adopted as we walked in. And so we went in the back and we met this little angel before she was even posted online. And so her name is Brandy, after the song by The Looking Glass, which is a pretty meaningful song to Ben and I. And now she's our perfect little angel. She's really sleepy right now. She played with Ben's parents' dog a little while ago, and since then she's been very chill. We gave her a bath today too, so she's a little exhausted. So thank you guys for watching today. We have a lot of really exciting stuff coming up, so I hope you subscribe, like, click the bell, all of those things. But now Ben and I are both employed. We're living in Florida. Everything is fantastic, and I'm really looking forward to a lot of the stuff we have coming up soon. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you.